Please subscribe to our channel, and for latest update, click on the bell icon.
Hi children, today we're going to look at multiplication with 0. All we need to remember is when you multiply 0 with any number, the product is 0. Similarly, when you multiply 0 with any number, also the product is 0. So today we look at numbers multiplied by 0, 0 multiplied by any number. The answer is always 0. The product is, what we get will be 0. Multiplication with 0. With 0. What do we have to remember? If we multiply, if we multiply any number with 0, then the product is 0. Product is 0. What do we need to remember? If you multiply any number with 0, then the product is 0. And the second one, if you multiply 0 with any number, if we multiply zero with any number, then the product is 0. Is 0. So either way, you multiply the 0 with any number, the product is 0. Multiply any number with 0, the product. That's what we are going to look at now. Now, for example, if I write here 3 into 0, 3 into 0 is equal to 0 into 3 into 3 equal to 0. And that's what we are looking at now. Alright? Now, supposing I say 9 into 0, 8 into 0, 7 into 0, 6 into 0, 5 into 0, 4 into 0, 3 into 0, and 2 into 0. The product, what you get, any number multiplied with 0, the product you will get is 0. So the answer, any number multiplied by 0, the product is 4 into 0 is 0, 2 into 0 is 0. Alright, Now, let's take two-digit numbers. Now, what happens in that case? So, any number multiplied by 0, any number with 0 is 0. Now, if I say 1 into 0 is also 0, or 0 into 1, reverse. If you multiply 0 with any number, you get the product 0. So 0 into 2, 0 into 3, multiply 0 into 4, 0 into 5, 0 into 6, 0 into 7, and so on. 0 into 8. Now, any of these numbers, 0 multiplied with any number, 0 multiplied with any number, the product is 0. This is single digit. Now look, let's take double digit. Okay, now supposing it is 10 into 10 into 2. Okay, 10 into 2. All right, 20 into 3. Okay, or 30 into 2. Now, 40 into 4. So let's say 50 into 3. 60 into 2. 70 into 2. 80 into 3. 90 into 2. If we multiply any number with 0, then the product is 0. And that any number, see, any number with 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, any number with 0, the product is 0. The second we have is, if we multiply 0 with any number, the product is 0. Okay? Now, 3 into 0 is equal to 0 into 3, the product is 0. Now, let's look at two-digit numbers. When it is two-digit number, any number, you have 10 here multiplied by, now let's look at 2 into 0 into 2, you get the answer as 0, then 1, 2 is 2. You are multiplying 0 with 2, you get 0. Now, 20 into 3, 0 into 3 is 0, 3 2s are 6. Now, 30 into 2, 0 into 2 is good, 3 2s are 6. Now you get it? Any number into 0, their product is 0. 0 into 4 is 0. 4 into 4 is 16. 4 4s are 16. Now 0 into 3 is 0. 5 3s are 15. 0 into 2 is 0. 6 2s are 12. And here 0 into 2 is 0. 7 2s are 14. 0 into 3 is 0. 3 8s are 24. And finally 0 into 2 is 0. 9 2s are 18. What did we learn today? If we multiply any number with 0, the product is 0. Second, so that is number 1. And second rule we learned is, if we multiply 0 with any number, the product is 0. Now we have done 2-digit numbers with 0. Any number, 0 into 2, 0. 0 into 3, 3. So this is the rule that we need to remember. Any number multiply with 0, product is 0. 0 multiply with by any number, the product is 0.